English, Grade 3, Block 5, Imagery by Teacher Shikha. Good morning, children. How are you all doing? Festival season is around. Hope you are very much excited, helping your elders at home in cleaning and arranging the house, also doing your studies and completing your homework and classwork. Writing is very important, children. Practice writing. Also, when we are pointing out few things, imagine the storyline, sequencing, links of the story and the real life situation. Try to focus on that. Try to see when you read the story, the same type of incidents when it comes in your real life, how it works. How can you describe it? Talk. Do some picture reading. Do some brainstorming, some thinking when you read the story. Okay, children? In this block 5, student will understand the meaning of a poem using a KWL chart and visualize the event and settings in the poem. Student will learn to identify the images painted by the poet and use present continuous verbs in the context of the poem. Children, you will learn to read and spell words with ing endings. Ing endings. It's very interesting. So, let's focus on ing ending words first. Okay? Present continuous tense. I am going to talk about that now. The present continuous tense is used for action happening now or for an action that is unfinished. This tense is called present continuous tense. Now, the present continuous tense is formed with the subject plus the present particle form, ing, of the main verb, and the present continuous tense of the verb to be am, is, are. I am singing in church today. Singing, ing ending word. The boys are playing ball after school. Are playing. Examples of the present continuous tense are, these are the basic examples of present continuous tense. The verb tense in each sentence is, I am putting pressure on that so that you should understand it. That is the particular word. She is crying. He is talking to his friend. The baby is sleeping in his crib. We are visiting the museum in the afternoon. Present continuous tense can be used to express something happening right now or to express something that is not happening right now. Few examples. He is not standing. Ram is sitting in the chair. You are not watching the movie. Rose is reading a book. Kamini is reading a book. Shyam is reading a book. She is not standing. He is not singing. She is not dancing. Rani is sitting in the chair. You are not watching the movie. She is not watching the movie. Can you see the combination? You are, she is, he is. Present continuous tense can also be used to show that something will or will not happen in the near future. Examples: she is not going to the game tonight. Not happening. He is meeting his friend after school. Happening. Are you visiting your cousin this weekend? I am not going to the meeting after work. Is Reena playing football today? Present continuous tense can be used for action that are still happening at the time of speaking. Examples of this are included: Mark is making pizza now. Reena is making pizza now. Mama is making pizza now. They are eating lunch now. She is eating lunch now. He is eating lunch now. We are eating lunch now. Francis is talking on the phone at the moment. Fiona is talking on the phone at the moment. Who else can talk? Bunty is talking on the phone at the moment. Present continuous tense can be used in question as well. Some examples: is she laughing? Is she crying? Is she happy? Are they listening to the teacher? Are you listening to the teacher? Is the baby drinking his bottle? Is the baby drinking his juice? Are you going? Are we going? In addition, the present continuous tense can be used to describe actions that are being repeated. Words like always and forever are used along with the verb. Examples: Jack and Jill are always fighting. Ram and Shyam are always fighting. Sita and Geeta are always fighting. She is constantly complaining about her sister. He is constantly complaining about his brother. She is constantly complaining about her homework. Her mother is forever misplacing her keys. Mamas, they do this. They keep their keys somewhere and then they forget. Daddy is always forever misplacing his keys. Present continuous tense can be used when speaking about current trends. Few examples. Shopping online is growing in popularity nowadays. Yes? Yes. The stocks are dropping constantly due to economy. Yes? Yes. Young reporters? Yes, you know about it? Today, most people are using text messages instead of the phone, right? We are doing. Another use of tense is when talking about a planned event in the future. We are leaving for the beach tomorrow morning. Do you have any plan to go to the beach tomorrow morning? We are leaving for the beach tomorrow evening. The kids are arriving at 6 o'clock. The Kids are arriving at 6 a.m. Kids are arriving at 6 p.m. She is speaking at the conference this evening. He is speaking at the conference this evening. So children, we have seen how ing words are being used in the sentences. Present continuous tense, the verb, how we have used them. Now in your practice question also, there are many questions which are going to emphasize on ing words. Let's practice again and again and try to learn it, understand it carefully. I am going to focus on Block 5 imagery practice question now. Children, I am going to share some answers with you. Let's write down quickly. Write the ing words for the given verbs. Like love, give, hope, stop, plan, hop, say, want, rain. So many. Let's do. Liking, loving, giving, hopping, stopping, planning, hopping, saying, wanting, raining. Read the poem Where Do Go the Boats? Where go the boats? Have you read the poem? It's a very sweet poem. And answer the questions. Very important part of any chapter. Read the chapter, go through it and then answer the question. But always remember, whenever you are answering the question, answer in complete sentence. How does the rain flow? The river flows slowly. How does the river flow? River flows slowly. B. I am reading the answers. The other children bring the boats ashore. C. The poet describes a little child who wanders about the river near the house as it flows along forever. He describes how the toy boats made by the child go on a journey passing by a mill, valley and hills. Yes, we all do. We all have made paper boats. It's fun. D. The boy is sad because he cannot play with the other children who play with his boats and bring them ashore. Now E. Draw the setting of the poem. You have to draw your drawing. A boy, a boat, river, hill, valley. It's your drawing. Try to draw. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Children, I am reading the answer. Rohan. Hi mom. What are you doing? Mom. Hey, I am cooking lunch. Rohan. What are you doing, Dad? Dad. I am helping your mom. Rohan. Who are coming for lunch? Mom. All your friends from the colony. We are having a party. Children, social distancing, not nowadays. Question 4 is a KWL chart. Children, we are going to focus on KWL chart when I am going to do the work, your volume 1 worksheets. Question 5. Read and learn more about the poet. Who is the poet? What is the name of the poet? Robert Louis Stevenson. You have to read, take out some information about the poet from the internet and then fill in the last column of the KWL chart with what you have learned about him. Question number 6. it's about the picture reading. Now again, this is a very important point, children. Picture reading. You have to look at the picture and write your answers. The man is sleeping. Two women are cooking in the kitchen. A man is laughing. Many girls are playing. Read the poem and draw what the poet described in it. Underline the words that helped you to draw. This is again your answer, children. Read the poem and try to write the answer. Question number 8. I'm reading my answers. The sample answer will be: there is a party happening. We are all dancing. Rohit is shouting. Renu is eating. Seema is laughing. There is a party happening. We are all singing. The balloons are floating. Behind them, Gittu is running. There is a party happening. This is this picture reading. I have read the answer of this question. Question number 8. We are done with the practice question, children. Hope this will help you. S1 is KWL chart. Now workbook, I think we should do it in our next chapter, next video. I will focus on this. Up till now, you complete your practice question from content book. Have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.